Hi everybody, how's it going? This is a quick update, just to let you know what's going on. So, I am in a couple of days going into hospital for my fourth major stomach operation. And yeah, I'm not really looking forward to it, but I am looking forward to it, if you know what I mean. So I will be out of action for probably about 6 to 8 weeks. So yeah, I'll probably, in all fairness, won't be uploading anything because I'll be trying to recover. It's not a very nice operation, and as I said, I'm not really looking forward to it, but I need it because, well, look at me, I'm getting a bit skinny, and the reason is because I have a really rare eating condition, and hopefully they're going to try and improve it. So that is the aim. It's called a poem. The previous operations I've had are laparoscopic Heller's myotomies. I've had 2 of them and they've both failed. So I am looking forward to it, but I'm not really looking forward to all the pain and all the recovery. So I'm going to be out of action. I can't work. I won't be able to work, but it should be a relatively easy operation. I think it'll probably last about 3 to 4 hours. So yeah, I've got to go over to Portsmouth, and I should, if all goes well, be in and out in 1 day. That would be nice, but if it's not, then I'll be closely observed. So anyway, this is a very short video of me sitting on the South Downs, possibly for quite a while. I will update you from time to time, but obviously I won't be out in the van. I'll probably be in bed or lying on the sofa or just trying to mooch around. I'm not one of these people that just lie in bed. Not unless I've got a hangover or something, which is quite rare these days. But anyway, there you go, digress. So yeah, I want to say a massive thank you to everybody that has posted on Facebook, my Facebook page, wishing me well, because I had to go for some blood tests and all that. I had quite a lot of blood taken. They needed to do a hell of a load of blood tests. Yeah, that is it really. I know it's short and sweet and there's nothing really to this content, but it is an update that I will be away from YouTube, proper videos, for quite some time. As I say, 6 to 8 weeks. Fingers crossed it works or improves the situation and I can start putting a bit of weight on, because as I said, I'm a bit skinny. Anyway, I want to thank everybody for your love and support over the years. It means so much to me. It really does. I can't really explain how much it feels. And the channel is actually growing really well, which I'm really excited about, because that means I get a little bit more revenue from YouTube and I can go places. And that's exactly what I want to do. I want to show you how you can quite easily live in a van in a tin box like this that you've made yourself, but there are ups and downs. Anyway, I want to say a massive thank you once again, and I really hope that you stick by me, and I'll see you in probably 6 to 8 weeks, where hopefully I'll be well enough to drive the van and get out and come out to amazing places like this. That, and this amazing summer we're having. I love it. Anyway, thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in a few weeks' time.